Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how to build a React continuous delivery. So before going to that, let's recap on what we done in the last video. So in the last video we have created continuous integration. Basically what continuous integration done, continuous integration is a CI. Basically what the CI done is it will check every time when we do a pull request. We will make sure that the code quality is up to certain standard. So for example, in this CI, what we do is we make sure that it can build, make sure it pass all the tests. Yeah. So today we are going to look about continuous delivery. So that means we also need to create another GitHub action, which is another workflow. So let's go to actions and new workflow. Now we just choose a Node.js workflow. Now note that in a continuous delivery, we don't need to run every pull request, because we only want to build the static website only when the code is stable. In our case is when every time the master branch is updated. So this pull request should be removed. This pull request event should be removed, but because we want to do some testing, so maybe we just leave it like this first. Then yeah, we still need to run on Ubuntu later. This one don't change. Do we want to support all this version? Maybe we can keep it first. Basically this means that this will run for Node 10.x version, Node 12.x version, and Node 14.x version. Means it will support 3 different versions lah. But for me, I'm okay for keeping it, so let's just keep it. And yeah, so first of all, it will check out, clone the repository and use the Node.js and set up it by setting it up and run package restore. Package restore, as mentioned in the last video, I use yarn, so maybe just use yarn. Yeah, yarn. And then we can continue on the run build. We don't need to test because in the CI we already done the test, so we just need to build it. And after we build it, because as I say, it's a continuous delivery, we need some way to update our to upload our what we have built. So in this case, we need the upload a build artifact. So let's click on the action and just copy this line into here. Yeah, and indent it. Okay, so for the name, let's call it as maybe React static website code. So for React, every time we build something, it will build to build folder. So maybe we just put build. Yeah. So yep, this looks good. So let's commit to a branch. I think we cannot commit the branch here, so maybe we just create a new file here. And we call it as cd.yml. Yep, create c8.yml and commit it. Yeah. then next time when we go to edit, yeah, you see as we will still have this interface. Yep. So because we keep the pull request, so let's go to the pull request to see if it runs successfully. Yeah, so there, as we can see, because in the strategy we specify 10.x, 12.x and 14.x, so it will run 3 different nodes. Yeah, it looks like this. As you can see, like running 3 of them might take some time. Because I'm running in parallel. Although I'm running in parallel, but it still takes some time. So we can wait a while. 10.x, 12.x and 14.x has built successfully. So yeah, let's go to the actions. As you can see, in the Node.js continuous delivery, there is an artifact generated. Yeah, so the cd.yml looks good, and so what we do next is we just comment out the pull request action, pull request event in the cd.yml. So let's do it. Just for recap, this because cd don't need to run every time when we do the pull request. It just need to run when we have made sure that the code is stable. So we just need to run when it's updated. Yeah. Remove PR event. Yep. Okay, so this is it. We have successfully created the CD for React template. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.